Hi everyone, after moving to San Francisco, I love making apps and websites even more, and it has never been easier than before thanks to Lovable. I have not just made websites, launched them, gained 200,000 views, but now made motion websites. And there are people charging $15,000 for the same. Only few percentage of people know how to build an app with AI, and even fraction of that know how to design well and to add motion graphics, and it makes a day and night difference to how your website feels, what attention it grabs, and how you can make it forward to bring better revenue and better customers forward. That's why today it's going to be hands down one of the best Lovable guide you will see. And here's my personal story with motion websites. This is the one of the motion site I built for you a month ago, build a total guide, and this was a beautiful website. I understood how motion can be built when you scroll, how iPhone opens and folds and opens, and it was very fun, but it took hours of effort. If you know the fundamentals behind it, you will be able to make it better, but now that is also solved. So a month ago when I built this, I actually made something called coolsmotion.lovable.app. This is basically a 7-step prompt engine. You can fill in the blanks and figure out what kind of motion you want to make. Now this Lovable site is also outdated now. You don't need it because Lovable has solved something with their plan mode. I'm going to show you an entire walkthrough how you can build app with Lovable, launch it with database, with security features, all end to end solved. Let's go, and we're going to build this infra startup. Let's go to lovable.dev. First of all, let me show you what are the coolest sites I've already built. Number one is going to be this cloud company that I'm creating. Look at this. First of all, Golden Gate Bridge is there. I'm in San Francisco, so Golden Gate Bridge is lit. It changed from day to night. Clouds are moving and it looks simplistic. As I scroll, I can see it transform to a blue light because I want to actually shine light on my customers, and I can see the benchmarks and how my infrastructure company is better than the competitors. You don't need to worry about it. It's just some comparisons, and it was built in one shot. And how I built it, if you look at the prompt on my left, it's basically this, and I adjust a little bit of motion. Now let's build this from scratch, but before that let me show you another website. It's actually this scroll. So this is a Golden Gate zoom in effect. As you scroll, it zooms into the Golden Gate. And next, again at Golden Gate, this is called Prisma. This, look at it, Golden Gate video is being shown and it's extremely fast. As I refresh this page, it immediately loads. It's way faster than the motion sites. Another website, this is one of them. Like as you hover over your cursor, you can see basically it's moving through. You can actually show in depth of your infrastructure. And now for real, let's get started. Lovable has made things simple. Two modes, plan and build. We're going to choose plan mode because plan mode is the one where you can think, put all your thoughts into the picture and it figures out the prompt. You really don't need to figure out what kind of motions you need to make, Veet, SVG, .mov, what kind of formats you need. You don't need to know. You just need to put your thoughts out. So I'm going to say motion site with Golden Gate Bridge, clouds moving day and night, fast paced. Now company name, it's going to be Sing Infra. Let's say I want to make an infra company. If you know that there's a company like converting from shoe company to cloud company and they increase their stock, so infra is the hottest word right now. And show proof, I'm gonna say benchmarks with Nebius, some competitors I'm gonna name, and CoreWeave. That's it. And let's plan. I'm gonna let it think out loud what it thinks about what I'm building. And let's wait. It's thinking right now. So reviewing motion site concepts. And most importantly, Lovable subscription is $25. People are charging $150 even for prompts. So it's asking me questions now. When AI asks you questions, this is one of the most important steps. If it doesn't, you should actually make it. That's the beauty of plan mode. So GPU AI infrastructure, that's true. Doesn't even matter. So do you want real benchmarks? Let's just use placeholders. I don't have real numbers right now. Cinematic photo, stylized SVG. I'll say 3D-ish layers. And then yeah, I think 3D-ish layers is good. We want as 3D as possible, and let's go. And while it's while it's giving you answers, I'm going to show you how fast the previous website was. So if I show you, okay, wait, which palette fits well? So let's answer the colors. I'll say this color is more colorful. Which font to use? I'll say straightforward. This is good. I think it's an infra company. So let's do this. Submit. Okay, it's gonna ask me more questions, but before that, I'm gonna take you to my previous project, because what I'm trying to prove is the same project I actually built when I built this motion one. It's actually the same prompt. If you look at this project I built, it's basically the same prompt, and it's gonna give cooler or maybe interesting results, and that's what I'm excited for. So I said make a time like, no, this is the prompt. I said let's plan a motion site San Francisco. It's the same website, same. Now it gave me this where sun is moving, even moon is moving, day night, and clouds are moving. Okay, now the plan is ready. So in the meantime, it went through, created a file in which the entire plan is there, the palette is there, design is there. It figured out what libraries it has to use. You didn't have to think it out. Again, you don't have to think about prompt. Let's approve. When you approve, if you see, it turned to a build mode. Now plan mode to build mode automatic. You didn't have to worry about it. That's the magic Lovable creates. All right, it's creating the styles.css. There are a bunch of architecture. I don't have to think about it. And another cool part about Lovable is when you publish the app, the cool part is you can edit this domain. You can, put it on your domain immediately. This is like golden fast sky. I can name it to like Sing Infra SF and see if it's available. If it's available, this will be my domain. I can share it with my friends or add a custom domain. I can continue and I can make it public and continue and publish it. So this is the speed how you can launch apps. Not just that, I'm gonna meantime even open my simulator. So while this app is building, so this is the previous motion site I had built. This app acts like a native app, kind of like a native app. So if you click on this icon, I've added it and it opens in Safari. And how you can do that, you can literally click the share button and click add to home screen, and wow, and then it'll be added. But meantime, if you see, this website on my right is built. It has different design, of course. It is built again from scratch, converts from day to night. It has too many clouds, I'll say, but I can edit it. So I'm going to edit and bring to a design language that meets my product. So let's go to this edit design. You can click and select any dev element. So basically any background. So let's say I selected this. I'll say too many clouds, reduce it by, let's say 70%. It's just too many. And light up the stars in Golden Gate. And also show the skyline, and it'll continue. Meantime, let's scroll through the website. If it has the right things, it has the benchmarks, and design actually does not look like slop. And this is just a very basic example of what motion is. Like, look at it. When someone opens the website, it's moving. It really enhances that you have put effort in your website. Also, if you look here, this is the preview section. You can even see the code it generated, what kind of libraries it generated. If you wanted to experiment a different library, you can as well. And here in more option, you can actually manage the database in cloud. So here, this cloud is where you can actually scale a website. In today's world, anyone can build a proof of concept in few seconds, but taking it forward, scaling it, adding features does require work and can be managed all in Lovable as well. So here you can actually connect with third-party apps, add some secrets, collect some logs, figure out issues, what issues customers handled, and all can be debugged through Lovable as well and maintained through Lovable as well. These are some of the logs reported. So this is healthy, no error logs today, and you can manage it. Now let's make SF actually real, downtown real, not just like 3D images, 3D mock-up. Now it's going to try to make it realistic. Let's wait for it. And if you see through what we have right now, it does have a little bit of San Francisco Salesforce Tower. It's very similar to what I had before. This is in the phone view, and it does have the day-night effect, and all in single shot. As it's created, it's really mind-blowing. You don't believe it because I've spent hours doing this, Seeing this in seconds is mind-blowing. And now with the next prompt I've added, I'm trying to make San Francisco realistic. And now after making it realistic, this is what it has done. The Golden Gate now looks more real. Oh my God. The moon looks more real. The downtown looks more real. And left one was just an SVG 3D mockup. Now it's even more real. I can even go one more step, make it even more realistic. You can add scroll animation, do infinite other possibilities, and how you can do things in not 5 prompts but in 1 prompt without understanding behind the scene code is mind-blowing. Now let's publish this app. I'm going to call it Sing in USA. I'm going to call it Sing Infra SF. Let's continue again, making it public. And now I'm gonna add some description. It's about my new infra startup, and let's add social icon later. And then we can scan for security if it has security vulnerabilities, and hit publish. And this could be a cool San Francisco site. Okay, this is good so far. Now let's move into the next step of adding features. Look at the Golden Gate again. It's like so realistic. I'm really impressed. Now let's move into real features you should add. Let's say this is a cloud app, right? So you can ask, hey, let's implement some real cloud features. Connect to tools. So you want to connect, if you want to offer your own cloud, you need to connect to providers like GPU providers. Connect to GPU providers, figure out where to get tokens for cheap and how to make it possible, and what features we can ship today. So SF works on the principle that you want to ship fast. Even if app is not ready, you can get feedback and ship it further. So let's ask what it says on what features you can ship today, and push it on your Twitter, LinkedIn, etc., and get some feedback. So these are the things it telling me that I should connect to, such as for RunPod, I should connect with API, Vast AI, and the cool part is it has connectors. You can click on plus button and you can connect to connectors, all of them which are possible, such as people to do demos with you. You can connect with Calendly. So if you search for Calendly, you can add it. You can connect to your Google Calendar, Gemini. You want to add, let's say, meeting recording, you can add Granola here. There are every single connector you think of, you can add and ship it today. And as more people request for features, even if that connector is not there, you can put your API key of that connector, just like this guy was asking, hey, you can give me API key of Open Router. It'll figure out the routing for me as well as ship it. So you can ship apps, ship features today with Lovable. So today it's no more just about 3D animation, it's about coolest features you can ship today and continue fixing and improving your app launching through Lovable. So check out Lovable with my link in description, and thank you so much Lovable for sponsoring this video.